Good morning everyone. So here we are going to start the second chapter, that is evidences in history. So first of all you see two pictures, that is picture 1 and picture 2. The first picture is of some toys that you play with nowadays, isn't it? And this is a picture of the toys that the ancient children were used to play. So you can spot out the difference between these two by yourself. Okay, so let us start the chapter evidences in history. Let us start it. History is the true story of the past. It is true because there are proofs to show that people lived a long time ago. These proofs are collected by archaeologists and studied by the historians. You can see these images, okay, of these toys. These are of ancient time, isn't it? And history is true. It is not a false one. It is not wrong. It is true because it is proved to be true by the archaeologist. We all know who is an archaeologist, who digs up the clues, and these clues are read by the historians, and after that they made a decision that these all are true proofs. Okay, they are not wrong. So let us proceed. In the last chapter only we have known about archaeologists and historians. Sources are the most important findings about history. Let us read about them. So what are the main sources? The sources of history are different remains of the past that archaeologists find during the clues. So these are the sources of history we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay? These sources are like clues. Archaeologists dig out these sources, study them, write about them in the correct order. So these archaeologists read these sources, and what happened? They find some clues, and also we come to know that they study them, write about them in the correct order. Means what happens first, what happens second, what happened the third. Like this way they study them and write them in the correct order. So what are the sources? We will come to know. So what are the first archaeological sources? Archaeological sources are direct evidences. They are four types: monuments, inscriptions, artifacts and coins. Now what are the monuments? You see this building in the picture. This is a monument. And what are inscription? It is written, means written facts. We will come to know later what are the inscriptions in this chapter only. Inscription means written on the walls or written things. Okay? Now what is artifact? Artifact means things made by the early humans is called artifacts. And coins. So in this chapter we are going to learn about these four types of archaeological sources.